I have a Husqvarna 775 push mower, and it won't start after sitting all winter. After putting gas in it and no primer, what should I do?
Hello and thank you for choosing this service. My name is XXXXX I will do my very best to get you the answer you need to your question. How are you?
Good, thanks.
Very good. I will do my best to help figure out what is causing our problem. Would you happen to have the model numbers available from your engine?
775X. Can we just speak on the phone?
Thanks for this information. As your mower was sitting all winter, did you have fuel remaining in your fuel tank?
Very small amount of fuel.
Do you have any carburetor cleaner or starting fluid?
No. I did hear about quick start fluid. I haven't bought that yet.
No problem. Do you have a tool available to remove your spark plug?
No, I'm not familiar with engines, so I don't know where the spark plug is anyways. I can check the owner's manual.
Let's try something else. Are you familiar with removing your air filter?
Yay.
If you can remove your air filter cover and your air filter, pour about a tablespoon of fresh fuel directly into your carburetor opening.
The air filter appears to be very clean. What kind of tool do I need to remove the spark plug?
Let's try putting a little fuel into your carburetor and seeing if your engine will start up and shut down.
Where is the carburetor opening?
After you remove your air filter, you will see your carburetor opening.
The hole with a metal rod sticking out.
Full-size image. Here is an image of your carburetor. Take a look at number 125.
Okay. I poured it in and tried to start, but no success. I haven't checked the spark plug or anything. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I put it in the right spot.
Thanks for checking. I would like to make a suggestion to you.
I poured in the fuel into where the throttle cord goes into.
You and I need to determine if you are getting spark to your spark plug and a good flow of fuel to your carburetor.
Okay.
Full-size image. How old is the fuel you are using?
Can I just screw off that spark plug panel? About 4 months old.
Our problem is very likely going to be fuel related. Fuel goes stale within 30 days or less.
Oh, okay, so I'll have to empty and pour new in. I'm gonna get with my neighbor to double check.
You are correct. Stale fuel can quickly contaminate your carburetor and clog the small jets and fuel passages inside your carburetor. Drain your fuel tank completely and refill with newly purchased, fresh fuel.
That'll take a while.
You can do this and check back with me later. Also purchase a can of carburetor cleaner.
Okay, will do.
Thanks. Spray a small burst into the opening inside your air cleaner base, number 875 in the image above.
I fixed the problem. Do I still have to pay?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.